Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to design and animate digital agency website UI in Figma. Let's get started. I have prepared the design system for this digital agency website UI design, and I have included all the necessary resources in the video to help you follow along easily. So let's dive into the design process. So as you can see, I have already prepared the typography, color palette, logo and button style. So let me quickly add this to my design library. So for this big headline text, I use the Anton font, and font weight is regular, and font size is 120 pixel, and line height is 130 pixel. So I'll select this icon and click on this plus icon, and I'll name this big heading like this. Now click on this create style. For this one, I use the subheading font family is Monasant. For font weight is regular, font size is 28 pixel, and font line height is 36 pixel. Click on this icon and click on this plus icon. Type the name. I'll type the subheading create style. For the menu text, I use the same font family of Monasant. Font weight is medium, font size is 18 pixel, and line height is 22 pixel. So click on this icon again and click on this plus icon, and I'll name this like menu text like this and create a style. So I have already added the colors to my design library, so I don't want to do that again. So for this button, let me show you how I create this type of button. So the button font family is Antonio, and font weight is bold, and font size is 32 pixel, and line height is 100%. And the small button font family is Antonio, font weight is bold, font size is 18 pixel, and line height is 22 pixel. So to do that, let me just copy this text and create from scratch so you can see. So select this text and make sure this text added this vertical trim is cap height to baseline like this. Select it, and now press shift plus A to make them auto layout. And for this button, let me change this padding left and right is 30, and top and bottom padding is 16 pixel, and I'll add a stroke so I can see like this, and I'll add border radius of 50 pixel. To add this type of style to this button, select on the button first and click on this icon and go to this plugin and wizard option and search for new brutalist plugin and click on it, and make sure you added the shape color is white and the shadow color is black, and shadow offset is 5% is good. Now click on this button, and that's it, you added this effect to your button. And I'll also increase the stroke size to 2 pixel, and I'll change this color to my headline color like this, and also make sure you change this color to drop shadow also. So I'll change this to headline color like this. So now you know how I create this type of button style. So I'll remove this, so I already prepared. So let's select our first frame, click on this frame and click on this MacBook Pro 16 inch, and I'll place somewhere here like this, and I'll change this name to digital agency website UI like this, and select this frame, and I'll change this fill color to this background color, and I'll add a layout grid to it. So make sure you select this to column, and count is 12, and margin is 264, and the greater is 30 pixel like this, and I'll change this color to like this. So our layout grid is ready. So now I'll grab the logo from my design system, and I'll place it somewhere here like this. For the menu text, I'll grab my menu text from my design system, and I'll drag it to my design frame. So I'll quickly add some menu items here. So I've added the menu items, so now I'll place somewhere here all of them, and I'll select all of them, press shift plus A to make them auto layout, and I'll make it center, and I'll add space between is 50 pixel like this. Now I'll make them in the center for now. For the menu buttons, I'll quickly grab this one, and I'll place it somewhere here like this. Now select all of them, click on this icon to make them middle, and press Ctrl G to group them, and I'll add top spacing of 40 pixel like this. Now I'll lock them, and I'll make this group name is header. So now I'll add the background image, grid image, and so to do that, so I already prepared this grid image. So let me show you how I create this type of grid image in Figma. Click on this icon, go to this plugin and wizard option, and search for this grid pattern plugin. Click on it, and make the shape width is 120 pixel, and shape height is also 120 pixel. Column is 20, and row is 20, and spacing column is 0, spacing row is 0, and the fill color is, and the stroke color I'll use this color, like this, and stroke width is 1 pixel, and corner radius is 0. Now click on this create button. So once you get this shape grid, now select the frame whichever you want. Let's say I will use the MacBook Pro 16 inch, and I'll move it to here in this frame like this, and you can adjust them and export this to PNG like this. So now you know how I create this type of grid image. So I'll remove this, and I'll grab this one, and I'll place it to my design frame, and I'll make it behind like this. And now I'll press R on the keyboard, and I'll add a rectangle on top of it, so I can add overlay to this image. So select this, and I'll add my background color to this, and I'll make this color to radial like this, and I'll select this second color also, the BG color like this, and for the center color I'll make it transparent. So I detach, and I'll make it transparent like this. So our background is ready. So I now lock this, and I'll make the group, and I'll name this like BG. Now I'll add the big heading to this design. So I've already prepared the heading, so I'll duplicate it from my design system, and I quickly change this text. So I've added the text. Now I'll make them center like this, and on the top I'll add like this 180 maybe like this, and I want animation to this text also. So to add that text animation, so I'll duplicate this again, and I'll place it like here outside of this frame, and I'll change this text to like WP developer, and I'll add a marketer, and one more thing, I'll add the UI designer like this, and I'll add gradient to this text. So I'll detach this color, and I'll add this linear gradient like this. I'll change this color to my brand color 1, and second color I'll use this brand color 2 like this, and I'll change the direction to this text. So select this again, and I'll make it like here like this. Now select this text, right click on it, and make them frame selection, and I'll change this to text like this. And now press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and drag the frame like this, and I'll make them click content, and I'll duplicate 3 times like this, and I'll change the text, and the second text I'll add the UI designer like this. Now I'll select all the frames and move it to right here like this, and now click on this icon and select this create component set like this. Go to this prototype option, select the first frame and link to this second one, and make the trigger is after delay. Delay is 400 millisecond, and animation is smart animate, and curve is ease in and out. Duration is 1200 millisecond like this. Now select this one and link to this third one, and trigger is same after delay. Delay is 400 millisecond, and everything is same. Now I'll select the third one and link to this first frame, and trigger is after delay, and the delay is 400 millisecond, and everything is same. So I'll duplicate one of them now, and click on this design option, and I'll place it to my design frame like this. Now I quickly adjust this text. So our text animation is ready. So first I'll select all the text and make them group like this, and I'll add this to heading, and now I'll add the subheading. So I'll duplicate this subheading text from my design system, and I'll quickly change this text here. So I've added the subheading text. Now I'll add the button. So I've already prepared this button, so I duplicate it, and I'll place it somewhere here. So select this big heading and the subheading, press Shift plus A, make them auto layout, and I'll add space between 24 pixel. Now select this frame and button, press Shift plus A again, make them auto layout, and I'll add spacing between is 32 pixel like this. Now I'll make them center like this. Let's say I'll add top spacing on 60 like this. Now I'll add the images boxes. So to do that, select this frame icon and I'll draw a frame like this. For now I'll add this color like this so I can see what I'm doing. So the width is 160 and the height is 220 and the border radius is 16 pixel like this. And now I'll add the rectangle like this and I'll add the height 40 pixel like this, and I'll bring in this rectangle to inside this frame. Now double click on it and click this dots and I'll make it something like this. I'll place somewhere here like this. Now I'll add the text. Select this text and I'll type the designer, for example. First I'll detach this text and I'll search this Anton font and I'll make this font size is 18 pixel and the line height is 22 pixel like this. Let me change this rectangle height so I can like this, and I'll change this font to Monasen, and this looks good. So select this text and make them center, and I'll add something like this. I think I can increase this like this. So our first image box is ready, so I duplicate this and I'll place it somewhere here for now, and I'll change this to like developer like this, and I'll duplicate one more and I'll change the text to marketer. And for this one I'll remove this rectangle and I'll make this frame top side 10 right, border radius I'll make it 500 pixel, and also for this 500 pixel like this, and the bottom left and right border radius I'll add 32 pixel, same from here like this. Now I'll select the rectangle and I'll draw like this, and I'll add a spacing around 10 pixel like this, also from the bottom like this. Now I'll select this rectangle and I'll add border radius 500 pixel from the top left and right like this. So our image box is ready. Now I'll add gradient to this rectangle of this image boxes. So select this rectangle and click on this fill icon, click on this gradient option, and I'll make it linear. And the first color I'll pick this brand color 1, and second color I'll pick this my brand color 2 like this, and I'll change this color to the white color like this. Now I'll do the same thing for the other image boxes. So I've added the gradient to these image boxes. So now I'll add the images to it. So select the first frame and click on this icon and click on this plugin and wizard option and search for this plugin called Lumi, and click on this plugin. Search for man portrait, and I'll add the images from here. So I've added all the images to this image box frames. So now I want to add animation to these image boxes. So select this first image box and click on this icon and go to this plugin and wizard option and search for animate it plugin. Click on it and I'll select this flip horizontal like this and click on the 3 dot option, make it loop, and I'll add 400 millisecond delay like this. Now click on this create animation set buttons. So this is already added. So now click on this prototype option, select all of them, and I'll make it after delay is 400 millisecond like this, and animation is smart animate, easy animate, everything is fine, just add duration is 1200 millisecond like this. Now select this one and I'll add duration is 1200 millisecond like this, and this one, add delay is 400 millisecond and duration is 1200 millisecond, like this. Make sure you edit all these three image boxes in the same instruction, like this. And one more thing you need to do is select this text and click on the design option and make it flip horizontal, like this. Make sure you do that, like this. Now I'll do the same thing for these other image boxes. So select this second image box and I'll search this plugin again, and I'll do the flip horizontal. Click on it and click on the 3-dot loop and add a delay is 400 millisecond, like this, and create animation set. This is sometimes added in top of it, so you need to enhance it like here. So I'll make it like here. So select all of them, go to this border option, select the first one, and I'll add 400 millisecond delay, 1200 millisecond duration, like this. Now I select this one again, I'll add the duration is 1200, like this, and this one also I'll add to delay is 400 and duration is 1200 millisecond, like this. And now I select this one and everything is same. Delay is 400 and duration is 1200 millisecond, like this. And now I'll select this one, click on this plugin again, and I'll do the same animation, create animation set, like this, and I'll add it over here, like this. One more thing, I forgot to change this text, so make sure you select this, like this. Now this one, go to this border option, select this one and just add the duration is 1200 millisecond, like this. Now select this one and I'll add delay is 400 and duration is 1200, like this. And this one also the same, 400 millisecond is delay and the duration is 1200 millisecond, like this. So our image box animation is done. Now I'll add a rotation to this. So click on this design option and I'll add rotation of 15 degrees, like this, and I'll place it somewhere here, like this. And also I'll add a rotation of minus 15 degree, like this, like this. And for this one I'll add rotation of 15 pixel, like this. One more thing, I forget to change the third image box title, so I quickly change this. So click this title and go to this design option and select this flip horizontal, like this. And now I'll add the shapes. So first I'll select this star shape icon and draw a shape like this, and make sure you select this aspect ratio icon and make the height is 140, width and height, and I'll add count is 12, and I'll add this to like this, and border radius is 5 pixel, like this. Now I'll change this color to my brand color 1 and I'll place it like here, and select this star icon again and I'll draw another star like this, and I'll make it 80 pixel, width and height, and count is 4, and I'll add the fill to this my BG color, and the stroke I'll add 3 pixel of stroke and with the gradient. So first click on this first brand color, and the second I'll use this my brand color 2, like this, and I'll place it like here. So select this text frame box. So let me change this frame name to content, and I'll lock this, and I'll select this icon. Now I'll make it small, like 60, like this, and I'll place it to like here, like this. Now I'll duplicate this one more time and I'll place it to here, like this. Now I'll add the company's logos to this bottom section. So press R on the keyboard and draw a rectangle with 120 pixel height, like this, and I'll place it like here, and I'll change the fill color to gradient and I'll add the color. First color I'll pick this brand color 1, and second color I'll pick this brand color 2, like this. Now I'll lock this, and I have already prepared the icons, so I duplicate it. So let me show you how I get this company logos. So if you go to this Figma community and search for this premium company logos UI kits, and you can get this all the high quality company logos for free. So you can select this and copy and paste it on your design. So this is how I get this all the icons. Once you get all the icons, and make sure you added this to auto layout like this, with space between is 120 pixel. And each icon, make sure you select this aspect ratio icon and height is 60 pixel, like this. So now I'll copy, select all of them and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V again to make them copy like this. And now press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup and right click on it and make them frame selection like this. And I'll change this frame name to logos like this. Now select this logo frame and press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard, and I'll make the frame width is 1543 pixel, like this. Now I'll duplicate this and I'll add a guide to it like this. Now select the frame, press enter to select all of them, and I'll drag all the logos and match the Shopify logo to this first logo frame like this. Now select these two logo frames and make them clip content like this, and I'll make the spacing between is like this, and select both of them and click on this icon and create component set. Go to this border option, select the first frame and link to this second frame like this, and trigger is after delay is 1 millisecond, animation is smart animate, curve is linear, and the duration is 8000 millisecond, like this. Now select this one and I'll link to this first frame. Trigger is after delay is 1 millisecond, and I'll make this animation is instant, like this. Now if you duplicate now one of them, and I'll now place it to this design middle like this. So our company logo animation is done. Now you want to add animation to this star shape, so select the shape and click on this icon. So go to this plugin and widget option and search for this animate it plugin, click on it, and I'll add rotate option like this, and I'll create component set like this. And now I select this one, and now I'll select this component and go to the prototype option and select this one, and I'll add duration is 8000 millisecond like this, and this one also 8000 millisecond, and for this one I'll add delay is 1 millisecond and the duration is I'll add 8000 millisecond like this. So now I can remove this guide. So the digital agency website UI design and animation are now ready. Let's take a look at the preview. The digital agency website UI design and animation is now complete. I hope you enjoy my work. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.